believe, receive, you know what they say. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Shelly. It is January 2019, and you know what that means: new goals, new resolutions, new visions, or just whatever you're into. And today I'm going to be showing you how I made my 2019 vision board. Okay, so I go on my Pinterest and I go on my boards, and I usually start with quotes, spirituality, inspiring quotes. I will just go through and pick some things. Like, let's see. So the reason I make vision boards is because they are aesthetically appealing, and I like to see everything that I'm envisioning for myself for the year. It's also just a great way to manifest things that you want because it's something that you're going to see every day. You can read your quotes or look at what you have on there and, you know, ask, believe, receive. Okay, so all you do is just open a little document, drag the pictures, size them, and print them out. Okay, now it's time to get to the fun stuff. I printed out all my pictures, and now I'm just going to cut them up. Now that everything is cut, it's time to get it organized by color and category because I'm an OCD freak. So I'll do like quotes, my career stuff, things I want to try, decor, all that good stuff. Here's a sneak peek at some of the things I put on my 2019 vision board. Okay, that's a wrap on my 2019 vision board. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, if you want to talk about vision boards, tell me what you put on yours, anything, feel free. I want to hear it all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can subscribe, or you can follow me on Instagram at ShellyRayJo. See you next time.